Ever get stuck trying to navigate around a complex model in Blender? You know that frustrating moment when you're modeling something detailed but you just can't get the camera angle you need to see what you're working on? If you've been wrestling with Blender's viewport navigation, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will help you with these issues. How to slice your scene. Okay, that title is a bit dramatic. The feature we are going to see is called viewport clipping. Let's have a look into two real cases where this situation can happen. So I've got here a scene, just a living room, and I want really to move inside and check for possible angles for my renders. So one way is just go to the top view, toggle to X-ray mode. I want to focus on this area. I click Alt B and I will isolate this area like this. And now I can freely move my camera around to start testing without having the problems of clipping into walls and really check my scene properly. Let's have a look into case number 2. So this is a ceiling lamp, and for whatever reason I would like to access its interior, but it's definitely difficult because not only I don't have much room to move my camera, it's really hard. So from the top view, once again, let's click Alt B, do something like this, and now we can really see our model and do our changes. I hope you found this tip useful. See you on the next one.